Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you love taking handwritten notes, but you also love technology, then you should look into one of these Rocketbook Fusion notebooks. This notebook is like having 7 different notebooks in one. It's a planner, a habit tracker, a task tracker, a doodle pad, and a notebook all in one. You might be thinking, how is this notebook going to keep everything in it? I'm going to fill it so quickly. Well, that's a really great question. This notebook is designed for you to take your notes, make your plans, upload them into the Rocket app, and then erase them. You can actually get this paper wet and wipe it down. And that's because it's not actual paper. It's actually made of plastic. And I wouldn't do that with normal paper. When you use this with the Rocket app, you can send your notes, send your plans anywhere. You can upload them to the cloud, whether you use Google Drive, Dropbox, you can email them, and I love about the app that it even transcribes your notes. So you can send it as a separate PDF document. This notebook has been so useful to me. I love that I can keep everything in one convenient location. If you're thinking about getting this, it's a really great product, and that's my point of view.